you poor little How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help. Oh, we'd better get you to bed right away. There. This is what you need is some medicine. Stat! Here you go, Philomena. This will you right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected that. Works. Oh, almost. There's nothing like soup to cure what you. Come on, you're not gonna get better if you cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the train. Chugga 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 woo woo! Oh, don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead, you can it. Good try. I know what'll up that in your throat. A humidifier. Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? That's okay. I know lots of ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get. How about therapy? Warm bath? Scalpel. Surgical tape. Feathers. Oh, Philomena, I thought it would be easy to you to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
I just wanted to drop and say thank you so much for making such a impression on the princess today.